You slept for 8 hours. You woke up, and you're still tired. Not sleepy, not lazy, but exhausted. Your body feels heavy, your mind feels foggy, and no matter how much coffee you drink, you never feel fully awake. If this sounds like you, this video might explain your entire life. And no, it's not because you're lazy. It's because something deeper is happening inside your body. Stay till the end. Because the last reason is the one almost everyone ignores. Here's a hard truth. You can sleep and still not rest. Sleep is physical. Rest is biological. Your body has different types of rest. Mental rest, emotional rest, nervous system rest, cellular repair. Most people only get one. So even if you sleep 8 hours, your brain might still be working overtime. Your nervous system never shuts down. Your stress hormones stay high. Your body never enters deep recovery mode. That's why you wake up tired. So, before you sleep, ask yourself, were you scrolling? Watching intense videos? Thinking about problems? Worrying about tomorrow? Your brain doesn't know the difference between real danger and digital stress, so it stays alert, and the result will be shallow sleep, less deep sleep, and poor REM cycles. You will sleep, but your brain is still on duty. That's not rest. That's survival mode. This one surprises people if you eat lots of sugar. Skip meals. Drink sweet tea, soda, or energy drinks. Your energy goes up. Then crashes. Every crash drains your cells, increases inflammation, makes you feel tired for no reason. And so you will think to yourself, I need coffee. But what you really need is stable energy, not stimulation. Caffeine borrows energy from tomorrow. It doesn't create it. 70% of your energy production is connected to your gut health. An unhealthy gut means poor nutrient absorption, low iron, low B vitamins, constant fatigue. Even if you eat healthy, your body may not be absorbing anything. That's why some people eat little, but feel energetic, while others eat a lot and feel exhausted. Stress doesn't just affect your mind. It raises cortisol, disrupts sleep hormones, blocks recovery, weakens your immune system. Your body thinks it's under attack, so it saves energy, and that feels like heavy body or brain fog. You will have zero motivation, and you will feel tired all the time. This is not weakness. It's biology. So ask yourself honestly, when was the last time you did nothing? No phone, no noise, no pressure. Most people are never fully offline. Rest isn't scrolling. Rest isn't binge-watching. Rest is letting your nervous system feel safe. Without safety, your body refuses to recharge. Here's how you start fixing everything slowly but steadily. 1. Same sleep time daily, even weekends. 2. No phone 60 minutes before bed. 3. Morning sunlight 10 to 20 minutes. 4. Walk daily. Yes, walking heals. 5. Reduce sugar slowly. 6. Breathe deeply before sleeping. Small changes. Results in big energy shift. If you often feel exhausted, your body isn't broken, it's just asking for help. Listen to it. Be understanding and give it the space it needs to heal and recharge. Comment, I am tired but hopeful. Like if this explained how you feel. It's not uncommon to experience a sense of exhaustion sometimes. Subscribe. The next video will show you how to transform your perspective on health and achieve lasting wellness.